Gabriella, I'd like to take a picture of this right now. If you could just see what I'm seeing. Is all these people who come in on a beautiful Saturday in Gainesville to talk about the rights of nature. I'd also like to acknowledge someone in the room who's been following this, member of the press, Bruce Ritchie, over here. I know some members of the press, when we talk about rights of nature and giving rights to rivers and things like that, they're like, have you lost your mind, Chuck? What are you talking about? But what Gabriella was just talking about, giving rights to the rainforest, absolutely. I mean, that is essential to moving the earth forward. Now I'm going to do a little exercise with you, and I need 6 volunteers to come right down here. Come on down here, Perry. That's 1. Come on, somebody's going to have some. Comes 3, 4. 2 more, Barb.
All right.
Come on over.
Go, Barb.
Oh my God. Myself in too.
Okay, now, I would like you two to face each other. Barb, I'm going to give face each other. Yes. All right, here, here's your cup, here's your spoon. All right, you two face each other, and you two face each other.
Uh-oh.
Did you bring a septic tank back in too?
That's what I was thinking.
Give me the hatchet. This is why I put my hand up.
All right, now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to dip into an imaginary vat of toxins and put it in a cup and hand it to Anthony, and he's going to drink it. All right. Now, if you turn this way just for a second, I want you to pretend you're hacking away at Perry's kidneys.
Oh my God.
Here, I would like this, put this in your arm like intravenous, and you hold that up to your mouth. Okay, hold that right there, and you're sucking the life out of her. You're probably wondering, Chuck, you have lost your mind, number 1.
That's great.
But this is an example of why environmental law doesn't work. Okay, over here with Barb, you're handing, you're putting the toxins in. Okay, you are the DEP. Controlling the amount of toxins that are being put into the system. Okay, and you're controlling the rate at which you're putting the toxins in. All right, ma'am, you're hacking away at Perry's kidneys, right? Those are the wetlands of the state of Florida. Perry's the state of Florida.
Very good.
So you are actually acting as the Army Corps of Engineers. In this last twosome over here, all right, you're sucking the lifeblood out of the state of Florida. Okay. Does anybody know who's controlling that?
Tallahassee?
The more specific, the water management districts. So you're acting as the water management district. So let me ask you a question. Let's say I'm a Democrat or a Republican, and this is the system. At what point does this person, and this person get healthy?
In that system.
What regulation could we impose in that system such that the state of Florida, the people who are acting as the state of Florida, the physical state of Florida, get healthy and are protected?
You have to literally take away the tools.
You have to take away the tools.
Yeah.
You have to take away the tools. It's
New
not,
tools.
it's not just to make them less sick. needs to make them healthy, if that's what we're trying to do in the state of Florida. If we're trying to return the state of Florida to a state of health, if we're trying to return Florida to a state of clean water than it was 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, can the regulatory system do that?
No,
No,
Well,
not now.
not now.
And that's what I would argue. It doesn't matter who's in office.
Right,
If we have this same system,
that's
the
it.
state of Florida will never get healthy.
That's right.
That's right.
Will never get healthy. So what we have to do is, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to take these tools away from you and give the state of Florida the right to be healthy.
buy beer.
Otherwise, it's too well.
So I'm gonna act as the rights of nature here. I'm gonna take away your weapons.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, well, this is your TMDL right here, right?
Uh-huh.
That was really protecting you, sir, right? You felt much better drinking less toxins than a little bit more. So, thank you very much. Let's have a big round of applause. I mean, does that help?
Yeah.
Oh,
Does that
yeah.
help? It helped me to understand, to visualize. You know, people are saying, well, Chuck, just work on a new law, work on something, work on... There's nothing that you can do until we give the state of Florida, the physical state of Florida, the right to be healthy, the right of nature. And this leads us into our next speaker, which, I don't know, who has the timer? Get ready. Okay, get ready. Because Doug Shields is a speaker. And he is going to, he is going to tell you what he's done in the city of Pittsburgh, which is phenomenal in the United States. Before joining before joining the Food and Water Watch team, Doug Shields had a 20-year career in the Pittsburgh City Council, 1992 through 2012. During his tenure, Doug was recognized for his expertise in municipal finance, planning and zoning, and land use, and as a legislative writer and strategist. He also consistently championed social justice issues. Before entering public service, Doug spent 8 years as an environmental litigation paralegal at 2 prestigious Pittsburgh law firms. He also has been an adjunct instructor at Duquesne University and a guest lecturer at the University of Pittsburgh's Graduate School of Public and International Affairs. He has served as a board member or trustee for numerous organizations, including the Carnegie Mellon University and the Pittsburgh Cultural Trust. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Doug Shields.